All right, how's it going, Mark? My name is Quamarian Johnson. I messaged you earlier on Facebook in regards to shooting you this video on some tips and tricks you can use in order to get more clients for your cleaning company. Now, with this, we're going to go over a few things. It's going to be content, citations, and backlinks, and I'll go into details for all those for you. Now, to start off, research shows that if you have a call to action at the eye glance view, they have higher conversion rates. So with that, I can see one here, here, and here, which is fantastic. So you're off to a great start. Your website looks great. Scrolling on down, another call to action here, another one here. It's a great layout. Everything looks good. It all flows well. So far, so good. Your website looks great. The only critique that I would add is that Google likes to have 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page. Scrolling through your website, I'd probably say you have maybe 750 at total, and all your back pages as well should have at least 750 to 1,000 words of content as well. For every 100 to 150 words of content that you have, you should have at least one keyword implemented within that. So, I pulled up your data here. This is a tool I like to use. It's called Ahrefs. It's not 100% accurate, but it does give me a good indication on where your website is at, where your competition is sitting at. So clearly I can see that you have 2 referring domains or websites giving you 2 backlinks, but you're not getting found for any keywords and currently generating no organic traffic to your website. So with that, you want to make sure they have more backlinks and that you're getting found for keywords. So you're going to want to have keywords in your website so you can get found for it. And we'll go deeper into details with that in a second. So I looked up carpet cleaning Houston, since you do have a carpet cleaning company and you're based out of Houston, Texas. Up here you have your Google Ads. Now, Google Ads can be tricky. If they're not done properly, then they can be very spendy and it can be costly for not only for you, but for your company as well. So you want to make sure that if you're running ads, you're running them efficiently and to save costs. And sometimes people have ad blockers. So with that, you want to keep that in mind when you're running Google Ads. Scrolling down here, you got your Google Maps section. Now, with the Google Maps section, it's all about reviews and citations. So if you have more reviews, more high-quality reviews, the higher you rank. And if you outrank them on citations, the higher you rank. So a citation is anywhere you can list your business name, phone number, and address. So R&R Carpet Cleaning, they may have 135 reviews, but they're all 5-star reviews, and they have more citations. Zeros or Zero Res, they may have more reviews overall, but the quality of their reviews aren't as high as R&R. So that's why they're ranking at number 2. Scrolling down here, you have your organic section. Now for organics, they can be, this is where your citations, backlinks, and content all come together. So with this, I don't count any big national brand companies, so Stanley Steamer or Yelp or anything like that, and I don't count back pages as well. So right here you can see that Zero Res is currently number 1 in air quotes for carpet cleaning in Houston, and we're going to take a look at their website real quick. Scrolling through here, they have a call to action here, here, and here. So they have the same amount at eye glance view that you do. Their website loads a little slow, but it looks like they have a lot of content. And then the final call to action here. Scrolling down, there's more content. So like I said, Google likes to have between 1,500 to 2,000 on the home page. Looks like they have a lot. I'd probably say between 1,700 and maybe 2,000. So with that, you want to make sure they have a lot of content on your home page, and all of these back pages here should all have 750 to 1,000 words as well. So now I pulled up their data. Looking at their website and what's going on behind the scenes, they have 133 referring domains or websites, giving them 690 backlinks. They're getting found for 658 organic keywords, which is translating about 402 searches to their website this month. So with that being said, in this tool, I can see what kind of keywords they're getting found for. And with that, earlier I said the more backlinks you have, the more keywords you get found for, the more times your company gets found. So with this, carpet cleaning Houston, got searched 1,500 times, last updated October 6th. Carpet Cleaners Houston, Texas, 400 times, last updated September 28th. Houston Carpet Cleaning 300, Carpet Cleaners Houston, Carpet Cleaning in Houston. So based off these 5 keywords we're looking at over 2,000 search volumes so far in the month of October, and some of these were updated earlier than later than others, but nonetheless, the amount of search volumes that's going through Google for these services is incredible. So you want to make sure that you're getting found for these keywords so people can find your company and you can book more leads and book more jobs. But Mark, that's it for this video. My name is Quamarian Johnson once again. I hope you found this informative. If you stuck around to the end of the video, all I ask is for a review on how you liked it or how you disliked it, and I'll talk with you soon.